Hey, I'm Christina Deloma. Thanks for checking out the guest guide. This lesson is on what it means to be hair and makeup ready. Congratulations, you've booked an appearance and they've asked you to come with your hair and makeup ready. So that means that your producers or whoever's putting together your segment expect you to be able to walk in, sit down, and film right away. They're not granting you any extra time to do your hair. They have not booked more than likely, a makeup artist or a hairstylist to assist in your appearance. They want you to do all that work before you get there. So if you have a call time of 8 a.m. and there's nothing that notes hair and makeup, that means that you need to get up extra early and put your hair and makeup together before you drive there. You don't think that you'll have the time, because you will not. The other thing I want to be clear is hair and makeup for a television or a segment appearance is different than normal day-to-day. Basically, when you are being filmed, there's tons of light, and light unfortunately washes away people's color. So if you are a light blush person or you hardly ever wear anything, you're gonna look like you don't have anything on at all, and you won't have any color in your face. And that's not a great look for being filmed. So add that blush, add the bronzer, add the things that you maybe wouldn't want to wear. And for guys, essentially, those lights are hot, some women too. And there's a common place where you're going to sweat. So if you really don't want to wear makeup, the least you can do is wear a translucent powder to absorb any sort of perspiration that you might find being under those hot lights, and put that on beforehand. The last thing you want to do is have a host dab you with a towel while you're being filmed. So that's what it means to be hair and makeup ready. It means you can go in, sit down, and press go right away. I'm Christina Deloma, and for more information on the guest guide, be sure to check out the other videos in this series.